Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the best ways to make money in 2025. That's right, we're not just talking about side hustles, we're talking about building your own empire. You guys know I love giving back to you guys, it's my favorite thing to do, but today, I'm gonna show you how to make it rain for yourselves. We're going big, because the future of making money is here, and you won't want to miss this. Alright, first up, we gotta talk about the elephant in the room. AI, it's everywhere, and it's only getting bigger. But hold on, before you freak out, this isn't some sci-fi movie where robots steal our jobs. This is about using AI to our advantage. Think about it. AI can automate boring tasks, analyze data faster than we ever could, and even help us create killer content. Imagine training an AI to manage your social media while you're out there living your best life. That's the power of AI, people. And the best part is, you don't need to be a tech genius to use it. There are tons of user-friendly AI tools out there just waiting to be unleashed. So are you gonna let this opportunity pass you by? I don't think so. Let's go! Okay, let's talk about freedom. Remember the days of being chained to a desk working for the man? Those days are over. The gig economy is booming, and it's all about being your own boss. Whether you're a coding whiz, a design guru, or a wordsmith extraordinaire, there's a gig out there for you. We're talking freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, where you can find clients from all over the world, set your own rates, and work from anywhere with a Wi-Fi connection. No more alarm clocks, no more office politics, just pure, unadulterated freedom. And the best part, the earning potential is limitless. The harder you work, the more you earn. It's as simple as that. So, are you ready to take control of your future? The gig economy is waiting. Now let's talk about investing in something that's not only profitable but also good for the planet. Renewable energy is the future, guys, and I'm not just saying that because it's trendy. I'm talking solar, wind, hydro, all the good stuff that's gonna power our world for generations to come. And guess what? Investing in renewable energy stocks is like riding the wave of the future. As the demand for clean energy skyrockets, so will the value of these stocks. Plus, you'll be supporting companies that are making a real difference in the fight against climate change. It's a win-win. Remember, investing always involves some risk, so do your research and start small. But trust me, getting in on the ground floor of the renewable energy revolution is an opportunity you don't want to miss. Let's be real, in 2025, if you're not online, you practically don't exist. But here's the thing, being online isn't enough. You gotta know how to work it. That's where digital marketing comes in. We're talking about mastering social media, SEO, email marketing, all the tools you need to build a loyal audience and turn those followers into paying customers. And the best part is, you don't need a fancy degree to become a digital marketing pro. There are tons of online courses and resources out there that can teach you everything you need to know. Once you've got the skills, the possibilities are endless. You can freelance your services, work for a company, or even start your own online business. Now, for the grand finale, starting your own online business. This is where things get really exciting, guys. Remember what I said about being your own boss, setting your own hours, and having unlimited earning potential? Well, online business is where all of that comes together. Whether you're passionate about fashion, fitness, or anything in between, there's an online business niche out there for you. You could launch an e-commerce store, create and sell online courses, or build a membership site around your expertise. The key is to find something you're passionate about and then learn everything you can about that market. Remember, starting a business takes hard work and dedication, but the rewards are immeasurable. You'll have the freedom to work from anywhere, build something you're truly proud of, and potentially achieve financial freedom. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on making money and achieving financial freedom. See you in the next video.